Welcome. In front of me is a Microsoft Surface Duo, and today I will show you how to go through the setup of this device. And when you boot up this phone for the first time, you'll be presented with this screen right over here, or two screens to be more precise. So anyway, let's start off with selecting our language, which I'll be actually sticking with English, so select next, which brings us to the next page, which is set up mobile network. This just allows you to insert a SIM card. Now that SIM card can be inserted at any moment in time, it doesn't really matter. The reason why it is here throughout the setup process is so you can choose to use your mobile network instead of Wi-Fi if you plan to log into any kind of accounts like Google or Microsoft. But I'm not planning to do that at all, so I'll select skip as well as skipping the Wi-Fi connection. Now, by skipping any kind of network connection, so basically choosing that you don't have any kind of network access, will then give you a pop-up with the for you to basically fix up date and time, because it will not be set automatically. And additionally, you won't also see any kind of pop-up regarding the Google account. Now, again, later on after the setup is complete, you can simply go to the settings, connect to Wi-Fi, and add Google account through settings. So I'm going to select skip right here. And there's the date and time like I mentioned before, so you can choose to set it up correctly. But if you're planning to connect to network later on, then this will be set automatically after you do so anyway. So I'm just going to skip it for now. Then I have Google services, so we have things like location, scanning, and sending user and diagnostic data. Obviously you can tap on the arrow to expand this and read exactly what these do, and at the end of the day, if you don't like them, toggle them off and then select accept at the bottom. Then we have software, a license, terms, and hardware warranty agreement. Obviously you can flick through this to read exactly what you're agreeing to, and then you will need to select I agree. No other way to basically go through it. Privacy settings, now these I believe might not all be required. Yep, it looks like we do need to select accept. Privacy settings, use location for local weather. Obviously if you want to have weather, just toggle this on and select accept. Protect your Surface Duo, this will allow you to set up a PIN, so we can select next, and there it is. We also have a password. Now for some odd reason there is no choice for pattern here, even though it's an Android phone, it doesn't have a pattern option. Don't know why, but as you can see, these are the only two options you have. So choose whichever one you want. So I'm gonna go with the PIN. Gonna set a really simple one, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now additionally you can also add a fingerprint, so just start pressing on the sensor. There we go. We can select next. And we're basically done. So it gives us a couple information. Go to your home screen about the gesture, navigation, and just how to use your Duo. Now I already know how to do it, so I'm gonna just kind of flick through all of those, and there we go, there is our home screen. So there we go, that's the setup. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.